Okay guys, we have some Nvidia RTX 5090 factory trial video leak, and the video is published on Bilibili, and the title is in the Chinese, and if you want to see it for yourself you can check it on Bilibili, but the 5090 is mentioned clearly, and the company who is testing it, it seems like ZOTAC, and the factory that was shown in the video is newly established in Indonesia, and which will allow the GPU to export to China bypassing the US export restrictions. However, the video show one of the first card that left the assembly line in is being attached to the testing bench, and this system ensures that the card has no error, including the thermal and artifacts. And in the video we can see the workers expressing the joy after the first card works. So if you can see in the video that there is also one power connector that is connected to the card, and so the rumors about the dual 16 pin cable fades here, and it also said that the GPU is 3 slot thick and with a 3 cooling fan design. And according to the rumors, the card is set to launch on January at CES 2025, and this video confirms that the production has started over 2 months before the introduction. So guys, Nvidia is truly 2 steps ahead of our thinking, and there is something written in the description of the video, and the video description is written as: due to the US chip export restriction on China, graphics cards chip that performs at or above the 4090 level are prohibited from being exported to mainland China. To mitigate the impact of this on the launch of the RTX 5090, Binner urgently established a factory in Batam, Indonesia. The video shows footage of the factory production line debugging, featuring a graphics card powering on the monitors, and that is soon to be released, Nvidia RTX 5090. So I hope guys that these are true, and that they will announce the 5090 at CES 2025.